Hi everybody. Hey, let's go take a hike. It's a gorgeous day. It's cloudy and sun popping out, so it's not too crazy hot. And I got my backpack with some water and some food, and my pink lady apple, my second apple, and we're gonna go for a hike. All right. So this part here, very rocky, and this is the perfect place to hike barefoot because I get the best grip. Without any shoes on, I get the best grip. Definitely a better grip than with flip-flops on. Now let's go straight up. Let's see what the view is over here. Since we're here, might as well show you what I'm gonna see. There we go. So I'm using my phone again because I didn't think to bring my camera to film this, but I think this will work fine. You get the idea. At least I can shoot some footage when I feel like it. Okay, look up here. Such a pretty little hike. Not too strong, not too hard of a hike, and beautiful day for it. All right, I think I'm gonna go this way. Here's one more view before we get to the top, which isn't too far. It's just right up there. All right, this time I'll take you all the way to the top. All right, made it to the top. Let's go take a look what it looks like when we climb over the summit. Or the top of the rise. I don't want to make it sound like this is some kind of epic thing. It's just a hike. It's a pretty hike though. Gorgeous day. Okay, go enjoy your day. I'm gonna go back down and go find a park to sit in and listen to my book and eat my apple. Bye everybody. All right. Okay, I couldn't resist showing you where I ended up to eat my apple. Huh? What a nice way to spend an afternoon. Or actually this is morning time still. I dropped off my sewing machine at the donation place and I'm sure it'll go to a nice family. And so this is a great day for a hike. Bye.